Our commander is fiercely loyal to you, Lord Bartok. And so it is fitting that you should meet your end by his sword. Should you refuse the order, all of Lord Bartok's blood relations shall be executed as well.
Commander!
В камине в 6 утра фотография твоя, горят воспоминания.
I'm already dead. I will take death at your side rather than participate in this spectacle. I know you will. But how will that serve us?
Разбитая душа и все твои обещания.